Ethiopia's industrial parks are ushering in a new era of industrial transformation and transforming Ethiopian livelihoods. The Industrial Parks Development Corporation was established in 2014 with a vision to spearhead the growth of industrial productivity in the country. Our job is to develop and build world-class manufacturing hubs, lease factory sheds, and undeveloped land to global and local industrial enterprises, and maintain public industrial parks.
These industry parks are built to the world-class standard and also with a state-of-the-art infrastructures. All the facilities, manufacturing sheds, and also infrastructures are built in the same manner of global standards.
So far, the IPDC has built 13 government-owned parks and supported the development of 11 more private and regional parks across Ethiopia.
In these 13 industry parks, we managed to have employment opportunity for more than 80,000, which is actually big number and a big success that we mention as a success story.
With a goal to create long-lasting, decent and fulfilling employment in developing urban areas and overall economic growth. Our industrial parks offer a wealth of macroeconomic benefits like increased exports and foreign exchange earnings, growth in government revenues, and enhanced productivity of local firms.
We have several incentives including tax exemption, duty-free exemption, and several tailored incentives specific to the manufacturing areas. So these are also the most enabler opportunity in the industry parks.
But perhaps the most important economic benefits are those that uplift the large, young, and agile Ethiopian workforces and educational and employment opportunities. Investors in our industrial parks are engaging thousands of Ethiopian workers with basic labor skills upgrading and skill development to address industry-specific labor needs.
Our employment opportunity is very inclusive. More than 90% of our employees are women and young women. So it's a very unique feature of our employment opportunity.
And training centers are creating partnerships with our top universities and technical and vocational education and training programs for technological innovation transfer for specialized high-skill positions. All Ethiopians can advance their industrial careers at our industrial parks, from growing and processing agricultural products to manufacturing and testing pharmaceutical medicines to engaging electronics.
My name is Jonas Udene and I am working in Andrea Shoes Manufacturing, which is found in Redwa Industrial Parks. This is my first job in global manufacturing firm after graduating, and I got this job with the partnership between my university and IPDC. I get different trainings and skills, knowledge from my employer, and these trainings are global class, and I will take these skills and knowledge with me throughout my career.
Our core values are sustainable industrial transformation that meets the highest international standards. We believe in ethical manufacturing practices that protect urban communities.
Government is expecting to create more than 1 million employment every year from the industry sector specifically. So the industrial parks are the major enabler in the processes.
The IPDC has built zero-emission, eco-industrial parks with state-of-the-art infrastructure and equipment to ensure environmental well-being for those who inhabit them. In traditionally water-polluting industries, we have introduced cutting-edge zero-liquid discharge technology that allows our parks to recycle and reuse 90% of industrial waste. The remaining waste is crystallized to fulfill our goal of full resource conservation. Powerful water treatment systems ensure an unending supply of usable water for both domestic and industrial purposes. And our low-cost renewable hydroelectric energy sources and regulated emission controls minimize our carbon footprint.
The waste treatment plant that we built in the industry parks, zero liquid discharge, and also advanced conventional treatment plants are the commitment of our government to have green industry parks.
Workers enjoy even more on-site benefits for their well-being and livelihood. All factory sheds are built to meet the highest international standards of building structural, fire and electrical safety. Boundary walls and 24/7 security services ensure a safe work environment. Medical centers offer easy access to health and wellness services. Canteens offer workers free nutritious meals daily. Some industrial parks offer living facilities for local employees and expats, creating a diverse housing community. One of the first public industrial parks is in Hawassa, a city just 275 kilometers from our nation's capital, Addis Ababa. The Hawassa Industrial Park is a world-class 140-hectare megapark that is expanding equal opportunity jobs in the manufacturing sector. Since its opening in 2016, the Hawassa Industrial Park has since created over 35,000 permanent and temporary jobs for Ethiopian citizens. Anchored by over 20 global textile, garment, and apparel firms, this industrial park boasts multiple success stories of personal development for its workers.
Before this opportunity, I was unemployed for 3 years. Working at the Hawassa Industrial Park has changed my life and my future. Now I work for a company that protects my employee wellness and rights, and I'm able to provide for my family as well as my children, all while learning vital and useful skills.
Other industrial parks fostering sustainable socio-economic growth for the future of Ethiopia include Bole Lemi Industrial Park on the outskirts of Addis Ababa, Mekelle Industrial Park in the north of the country, Kombolcha Industrial Park in the northeast, Adama Industrial Park in the southeast, and more.
Each of the industry parks are connected with green and renewable energy. This is also the manifestation of realizing the vision of the corporation to have eco-industrial parks in the country.
The Industrial Park Development Corporation is accelerating our vision of becoming the world's best industrial park developer and administrator.
Come and invest in Ethiopia. It is time to invest in Ethiopia. Come and invest in the industry parks. We want to be part of your journey to be competent in the global market. We are committed to support you.